Understanding diseases. Controlling vectors. Due to the amount of harm that can be dealt by vectors because of how easily they spread their pathogens, these vectors must be controlled. To control the damage any vector can do, we must know about the biology and life cycle of these vectors to find out which stage of development would be the easiest and most efficient to control. For mosquitoes, the most efficient way to control them is to prevent their birth and development in the early stages of their lives, the larva and pupa stage. How do I control mosquitoes? You can play an important role in controlling mosquitoes by draining all waterlogged areas, introducing a biological predator such as fish into a breeding ground to eat the larvae and pupae before they can grow into mosquitoes, using natural insecticides in breeding areas to kill larvae and pupae, adding oil to the surface of small breeding grounds to prevent larvae and pupae from breathing. Adult mosquitoes can also be controlled by using natural insecticides and clearing dense vegetation. Controlling other pathogenic diseases. Immunization. Pathogenic diseases can also be controlled by immunization. Immunization is a process that protects against a disease by administering a vaccine. Vaccines contain weakened or inactive fragments of disease-specific pathogens called antigens. These antigens are introduced into the body usually by injection. This triggers an immune response in the body without actually giving the body the disease. The body will then develop antibodies which are better suited towards the disease. This ensures that the body will be well protected or even immune towards the disease in the case that those pathogens are ever reintroduced into the body. Controlling physiological diseases. The importance of exercise. Exercise is any physical activity which contributes to maintaining overall health. Exercise can't cure a disease, however, it can prevent diseases and benefit those who have already been affected by a disease. Exercise increases the circulation of blood throughout the body. With the increased circulation, red blood cells can transport oxygen to all the cells in the body much more efficiently, which makes the destructuring of cells unlikely. Controlling physiological diseases. The importance of rest. Rest is the means by which all organisms recover strength and repair and produce cells. Rest may not be a cure, but it can prevent diseases and benefit those who are affected by a disease. During rest, the body produces infection-fighting antibodies and cells, which are an extremely important defense mechanism in the body's immune system. According to the Center for Disease Control, CDC, a lack of sleep is also directly related to many physiological diseases. Controlling physiological and deficiency diseases. The importance of a balanced diet. All the food a person consumes to provide themselves with the necessary nutrients for survival is called their diet. To sustain optimum health, humans must eat a balanced diet every day. A balanced diet is a diet which contains food from all 6 food groups: carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, vitamins, minerals, water and roughage. Eating a balanced diet is important because the body needs foods from all the different food groups, in the correct proportions, to supply the body with enough energy for daily activities, growth, cell repair and maintaining a healthy state. Controlling hereditary diseases. Genetic therapy. Gene therapy is the only known treatment for hereditary diseases. Gene therapy is an experimental technique that involves altering genes inside body cells to cure a disease or help the body fight a disease. Gene therapy can be used in different ways. By replacing a defective gene that may be causing harm with a functional gene. By inserting a gene into cells to help the body's immune system fight a disease. Or by inactivating a defective gene that causes harm. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more health content.